In a rain-soaked alley bakery, a quiet apprentice discovers a dusty notebook that hums when flour dust settles. The pages reveal a recipe for edible glass crackle cookies that release memories with every bite. He tests it with honey instead of sugar and bright lemon zest to spark a citrus thunder in the crust. As the oven glows, townsfolk drift in, drawn by the scent and the soft clatter of bowls. When the last cookie vanishes, the notebook sighs, revealing cooking is memory made tangible through shared moments for the town's dawn.